Astures and Romans, Caravanzo 2015. 15 en August 16, 2015 March the 10th Festival Astur. Roman Caravanzo. This is a great historical recreation where the festival Astures recayet the battles against the Romans on the Via Carisa during Astur Wars, Cantabrian and the conquest of the Asturian territory by Emperor Augustus Caesar and his legions during the BCN, all at is the same, 2040 years agosto. Caravanzo dressed in the Ives clothes for this event, the town is transformed and everything was back to the Ronis in order to enable visitors to experience the first and the history of the Asturian land. The festival has several theatrical acts that take place throughout the weekend and also as permanent recreations that are distributed by different areas of the town of Caravanzo. Associations participate in this festival and fans are actively involved in the atmosphere of the place, and we must make especially not the great work of the residents of Caravanzo that throughout the year and during the festival itself, working to this event possible. The festival Astur, Roman Caravanzo is an event and very action different, the atmosphere and acts improve from year to year thanks to the involvement of all employees. This has allowed the audience excited about weddings and burials Astures, the gladiator feasts, the arrival of Emperor Caesar Augustus, as well the rituals to the gods and mandatory aspects of life was like over 2000 years agosto. But the most anticipated moment of the festival is the great battle between the tribes and the Roman legions. That was it clashing a victory the Atham, as the story is king, the winner of the contest is already written. In addition to the atmosphere of the place and play the festival features a traditional market, children's games, parades, concerts and a camping area for those who want to spend the whole weekend.